Lords, please, Your Lordship. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Not essentially not this pro bono publico petition challenges not the actions undertaken specifically by the respondent number 5, wherein not they have attacked 3 heritage monuments of Devas. Now, not these 3 monuments in short are number 1, a public garden, which they have already cut short by a small area and are now trying to construct on the remaining area also. One, not photographs to that effect. I'll not take all these issues one by one and then not request your lordship for an interim order. Now, may I refer to page 29 of my petition?
ये आप इंट्री का नोटिस कर दिया था पहले,
Not,
अगर वही में इंट्री ऑर्डर
not. If your my letter permits you not to complete.
नहीं रिटर्न फाइल हो गया.
Return filed, not the rejoinder has been filed.
But the application for amendment which was on the part of the petitioner for the reason lordship, in the application for adopting of the reply, we have said in the paragraph 4 that they have not implicated the right party in the petition, that is urban development housing department. And thereafter the rejoinder itself lordship, they have accepted that the party has not been accepted, and they have said in the rejoinder that we will file an application for amendment for including the urban department, the housing development department, Nagariya Vikas एवं आवास विकास as a party. But till now they have not submitted an application to include the urban administration as a party. Because जब तक urban administration party नहीं करेंगे तो सही से answer.
I'm not to complete what I'll answer is.
So, first of all, lordship, in the application we have submitted the urban administration, the essential party. And in the rejoinder also, lordship, they said that they are going to file an application for the amendment, but the application has not been filed. This is my.
But I'll answer my learned friend's objection, primary objection. Not one is that being a dominant status of the suit, it is completely not my prerogative with greatest respect whom to impede as a party, whom not to impede. Not assuming that not the fact that I have written it in my application does not preclude me from praying a relief against the existing respondents. I do not intend, not I am not praying for a relief against the Urban Development Authority. Not these actions are being undertaken by the municipal corporation.
Please see your rejoinder paragraph number 10.
Yes, but it's right here. The statement.
Have you filed an application?
No, not as of date. Not for the simple, I'll explain to you. Not for the simple reason, not that this application, not pressing of an interim stay has become now imperative without touching this application, because the entire actions which I am challenging are not undertaken by the municipal corporation Devas and under the direction and not under the aegis of the collector's office. So while I will file an application, this I undertake, for the present I am not requesting for any relief against the party which I seek to impede subsequently. I will file an application, but let that non-filing of the application be not put an embargo on my requesting for an interim relief against the present respondents who are respondents in this petition. That's my first submission. And your Lordship, may kindly turn to page 29 for a minute, Lord. Why this is required?
Where is your application for interim relief?
I don't know. Lord, I'm referring to my application filed on 9/7/21, Lords.
उसके बाद ही तो नोटिस किया होगा ना? After filing of.
Lord, that is after the reply was filed, I think.
21,
9/7/21, Lords. May I not refer to the prayer clause if the Lordship has my application?
Yes.
Petitioner respectfully prays that this honorable court may kindly be pleased to pass an interim order of the interim rate oblique stay order thereby prohibiting the respondents from continuing any construction to reduce the area of the city park and defacing or demolishing any heritage building pending final decision. So, Lord, essentially, this application prays for two reliefs. Lord, number one, a heritage building, Lord, which is approximately 130 years old, in fame of Lakshmi Niwas. In form of Lakshmi Niwas is being demolished. The land use is sought to be changed from private semi-public to commercial. Not in an attempt to give it to private individuals, builders, not these colonizers. That building is being demolished and notices inviting tenders have been issued by the corporation. That's my first submission. That should be stopped. At present is a collector's office which exists in that building, Lord Lakshmi Niwas. It is a heritage building. They have not denied that fact even in their reply.
No notice inviting tender, etc. has not been challenged here.
No.
Master plan has been challenged.
Not even the change of master plan. But inviting objection under 23A of the Nagartata Gram Nivesh Adhiniyam, a notice is issued. The 5 objections also, they are not being decided. The problem, Lord, is that while on one side the department invites objections, I file objections to the proposed change in the master plan for a particular area. They are not decided, and there is a demolition activity which is even today going on vis-a-vis that building. That's my first submission. But that should be stopped pending, Lord, the final decision as to whether this building can or cannot be erased by the corporation on their whims and fancies. It's a heritage building, Lord. It's been standing for a long time. To begin with, they converted into the collector's office. Still all right. Beyond that, Lord, now they're trying to, then the process is going on even today. So it is not a status quo vis-a-vis that building we maintain. There is no hurry. If I don't succeed in this petition in a month or 2 months time, Lord, they can always have the building. And Lord, with respect to the park, which I'm agitating, that park has already been cut short by carrying out certain constructions in the park area, Lords. And for the rest of the park also, they are seeking to not carry constructions. So I'm restricting my interim relief only to these two properties. These properties not only for the reason that they belong to a different sect of the erstwhile rulers of Devas, there is an inter-se dispute between the two of them. And this is being done at the instance of the present Devas state, Devas Junior. Pleaded all that in my petition. There is no response to that also.
Monument.
And the monument plot. May I refer to that? That's why I was requesting Lordship not to permit me to refer to page 29 for a minute.
Yes, reply filed or not?
That reply has been filed.
Yeah. For this application. Stay application.
No. No, only the reply main petition has been filed. Let not with greatest respect and humility what I submit, let status quo be maintained not till they file a reply to my application. If it's tomorrow, I am prepared to not submit this, make my submissions before the report tomorrow.
Yes.
Firstly, Devas Municipal Corporation not constructing the collector office. Devas Development Authority उसको construction and
ADM party नहीं।
वो भी party नहीं मतलब
जो कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहा है उसको स्टॉप करने के लिए
comes under urban administration.
and therefore both of them are necessary parties.
But I'll take your lordship through the reply. Not with greatest respect. I must have missed it. I'm sure the fault lies with me. But nowhere in the reply, Lord, I believe, have they said that the
Who
Devas
is constructing? If Devas Development Authority is constructing, he is not a party. How can we pass any order, interim order against them?
I'm talking about two separate properties. Not my learned friend is making a submission vis-a-vis the construction in the park. Then, Lord, with greatest respect, I can take your lordship through that entire reply. Nowhere has it been stated, not the Devas Development Authority. I'm open to correction. Nowhere has it been stated that Devas Development Authority is the authority which is undertaking the sought not of the construction which is sought to be undertaken. This is the first time the statement is made, which is divorce their reply. Your lordship will not take, there is a different stand in the reply and a complete different stand where they are making submissions before this honorable court. They also pleaded this. I would have made Devas Development Authority a party. Lord, I take your lordship through the entire reply. I'm not parawise. Let them show one sentence wherein they say the Devas Development Authority ought to have been made a party because they are the ones who are undertaking construction in the existing park. Either it is pleaded, I would have made them a party. Somebody would have appeared for the Devas Development Authority and defended their cause. Not that is not being said. How in the world are supposed to understand that
Urban Development is necessary party.
not
Devas Development Authority comes under that department.
not are categorically pleaded that the municipal corporation Devas is the authority.
इंट्री ऑर्डर दे तो किसके खिलाफ दे जिसको बिना सुने पार्टी नहीं है उसको भी
But it will not be binding on TDA then. I put at a loss because then the order will not be binding because it's only parties to the list which are bound by an interim order by this honorable court. But they will not bind Devas Development.
they will not understand. DDA will not understand कि भाई ये ऑर्डर बोलेगा रोकने बोला तो रोक दिया. Without hearing ऐसा होता फिर
Lord, they have assisted.
if you want you can implead them.
Lord, by the time it will be too late. Lord, all the time requesting. Lord, the reason I'm
It's already too late. You have filed this application in 21.
yes, Lord.
Now this is 23.
Lord, on my part, yes,
Had,
Lord.
had you been vigilant, then the matter would have been different.
Yes, Lord. Definitely not. I don't. Not. I'm not intending to.
Therefore, you can still.
It's like this, Lord. I'll take your lordship through the reply. But I'm repeating myself. I'm sorry. Let their reply
You
show.
cannot grant any interim relief against a party who is not a party in this writ petition.
No, this is not what the reply says. That's what I'm submitting. Let the reply speak of the fact that you are praying for a relief against an incorrect instrumentality of the state. The reply doesn't say so.
ठीक है.
May I not permit your lordship not for a minute to run through the reply, not for a minute. Not read it, not, but just not run through the reply for a minute. All that the reply says is that, Lord, this is the reply which has been filed and subsequently adopted by the rest of the respondents, not the council for the respondent number 5. All that they are saying is that the answering respondent has reduced the area is not correct. Then not in the reply in subsequent paragraph, they say that wall paintings are faded, then they are as in what condition? If they would say that urban administration is the party, they are the ones who are seeking to undertake a construction, if they would say that Dewas Development Authority is the instrumentality of the state which is to take these constructions, I would have made them a party. The reply is completely silent. My legislator is standing up and raising an objection that such and such. I'm not asking for a lead against them for the simple reason that they have not washed their hands off on account of the fact that these are the two authorities which are undertaking the question construction.
Yeah, according to who are constructing.
Present respondents, not corporation. I'm saying it repeatedly. I've said that in petition also. They don't say that. Let them show that paragraph.
रेडियो कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहा है
ये कहाँ इनके reply में सर?
मतलब काइंडली सी तेरा 9 मिनट इसमें हमने लिखा है
9 of your reply.
The contents under this era of reply are relating to respondent number 4 and PWD department. Respondent number
नहीं पढ़ी उसको पूरा paper पढ़ी. There's no need to reply. This, how can this be construed to mean that it's the DD of this undertaking in construction? They are two separate things. They are saying this relates to the PWD. All right. How can it be construed or be
आप
understood?
सही करिए, next week लगा देता हूँ.
But they have paid for a status code only till the next week with respect to these properties.
No, this is not a new fresh application. ये तो पुरानी application है, 3 साल पुरानी है. अभी इसमें
They have taken the charge from today, not expecting not this petition to come up today. It's only yesterday they commenced these demolition activities, not in the
11th council, your respondent number 4 phase foreign is granted week time to file reply to IA number 10592/21. यही है ना?
Yes.
List in the week commencing 15th of March.
But till that time they'll make every attempt to ensure my petition becomes infructuous. They would have done what is otherwise.
So yeah, तो 3 साल से आपने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया बिल्कुल. Now within a week what will happen? सब पूरे sanction plans, maps, सब कुछ है.
Nothing is challenge. Next week.
46